Hello, welcome to Cook Thailand. This is our operation room. As you know, the quality is top priority and we would like to fulfill our customer satisfaction. So our operation room is certified to Cleanroom Class 7. To make sure that our operation room are clean and also our products are clean, we monitor our cleanliness and check the particle in the air by using particle count Apex Z3. The result from the machine we saw in the PDM, it is our ERP system, and then it generates to inspection report and send directly to customer. If you have any problem or any question on the quality or other issue, you can contact me or other person. Okay, bye.